How to fix iCloud settings. Grayed out on iPhone. Close and refresh the Settings app. First, swipe up and close the Settings app completely. Then, open the Control Center and turn on Airplane Mode. After a few seconds, turn off Airplane Mode. This refreshes your network. After disabling the Airplane Mode, check if the iCloud has been normal out or not. If it is grayed out, then force restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then quickly press volume down. Hold the side button. Don't slide to power off. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Mention that this won't delete personal data and only reloads the phone's code to fix the issue. After force restart, check if the iCloud has been normal out or not. If it is still grayed out, then check for VPN. Open to the Settings app. Look for the option VPN. Toggle on the switch next to the VPN. Once connected, and check if the iCloud has been back to normal or not. If it is still grayed out, then check Apple's system status. If you've tried everything, check Apple's system status to make sure their servers are up and running. Go to the Apple System Status website. If iCloud services are down, you may need to wait for Apple to fix it. If there is no issue with Apple server, then try following the next step. Update to the latest iOS. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have any update, then update the software. Make sure you have the latest iOS software installed on your phone. After updating the software, verify if the iCloud has been back to normal or not. Now you can see the iCloud setting has been back to normal. And that's it.